Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us unbox and do a hands-on review of the IFrogz Airtime Vibe active noise cancellation headphones. Now these headphones come at a budget price tag and offers 30 hours of playback time. To the front, it's written that IFrogz has sold 45 million units of headphones. Now that's quite an impressive number. Now let us unbox the headphones and see what's inside the box. Also, these headphones comes in two colors, which are black and blue. So here you can see the blue color version of the Airtime Vibe headphones. So here are the blue color headphones, which looks quite. Unboxing the box pack, you have the user manual to the first. Then we have a 3.5mm aux cable that you can connect to your PC or a smartphone. Then we have the micro USB cable. Then we have the pouch, which is in gray color and it's quite soft. Here are the Airtime Vibe headphones. Now these have a decent build quality. They have a glossy finish, so they look quite cool, and the ear pads are quite soft. Now taking a look at the controls, here we have the volume up and down buttons and the power button. To the other side, we have a micro USB charging slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack where the aux cable goes in. Then we have the ANC button, which you press and your active noise cancellation gets activated and you can have noise cancellation on your head. The ear pads are quite soft and they are really comfortable. You can easily wear them for 4 to 5 hours and still you won't be feeling any discomfort while using these headphones. Pairing these headphones is quite easy. You just need to press the power button for a few seconds and you see a flashing light, which means these headphones are turned into a pairing mode. Now here you can see it shows IFrogz Airtime Vibe, which I can connect to my smartphone. This headphone also supports AAC HD audio, which means you get high quality audio out of these headphones. In terms of sound quality, these headphones had good mids, but the bass was average. Overall, for $100, these headphones are a good pair of headphones that you can buy if you don't want to shell out $300 to $400 to buy a good active noise cancelling headphone. So these headphones would surely work for you. Guys, that was a quick video on the IFrogz Airtime Vibe headphones. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more cool videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. That's the Trendy blog. So guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and catch you guys soon in my next video.